Hello students, today we are going to see the exercise number 1.3. Here we are using the properties to verify and following these properties we have to solve these problems. Okay, so closure properties, commutative properties, associative properties like this. Okay, first one, verify the closure properties for additions and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. So closure properties, what is closure properties you must know. Okay, what is closure properties we will see, just revise that. So properties of rational numbers, first one is closure properties for addition. This we learnt already in revision, first video I sent. So again you just see, A and B is any rational numbers, that is any numbers 4 or 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5 like this. If you add, you will get again the rational numbers. So closure properties of addition, you have to add that number. So closure properties for multiplications, you have to multiple the two rational numbers. Okay, the result, the answer also is a rational numbers. Okay, that is the condition for multiplication properties. So first one is the example that let A is equal to minus 5 by 7 and B is equal to 8 by 9. This is the first problem for you. So they ask us to prove that closure properties of addition as well as the multiplication. So write the heading closure properties, and addition you have to solve this. Afterwards you can do the multiplication. What is addition? A plus B is belongs in C. C should be a rational numbers, or instead of C you can mention Q also. So minus 5 by 7 plus 8 by 9. Substitute A value and B value. You have to add this two value, but the denominator is not same. So you have to make the denominator as same. For that you have to multiple that. Okay. So cross multiple and multiple the denominator. So 7 into 9 and cross multiple minus 5 into 9. This two you have to multiple, then center sign plus, and then 7 into 8. Okay. If you multiple, you will get the answers. So what answer? 7 8s are, you have to multiple 45 plus, that is 9 5s are 45 plus 7 8s are 56 divided by 7 9s are 63. And the two sign is different, you have to subtract this value. So plus 56 minus 45, so different sign you have to subtract. If you subtract, you will get 6 minus 5 1, 5 minus 4 1, then greater than sign is plus, so 11. Okay, so plus 11 by 63. Then closure properties for addition is satisfied or verified. So because 11 by 65 3 is a rational numbers, it also belongs to in Q. Okay. Second one is multiplication. So closure properties of multiplication you have to verify here. That is the same model, two numbers is given, that two number you have to take it as A and B, that two number you have to multiple because the given condition is a multiplications. So A into B is belongs to Q or C. C is a rational numbers. Instead of C you can write Q also. Okay. So multiplication rule you applied, A value and B value is given in your book. So any two rational number, if you multiple, again you will get the rational numbers. That is the rule here. Okay. So A is equal to minus 5 by 7 and B is equal to 8 by 9. Whether you are getting the rational number or not, we have to check now. So if you substitute A value into B value, and no common numbers here, you can't cancel anything. Just multiple the numerator and denominator separately. So if you multiple the minus 5 into 8, minus 40, and 8 9s are 63. Sorry, 7 9s are 63. So answer you are getting minus 40 by 63. So it is also a rational numbers only. Therefore, the closure properties for multiplication is satisfied. So if divided form, it is called it as a rational numbers. Okay, fractional form, it is called it as a rational number. So it is not, but denominator is not belongs to 0, not equal to 0. Okay. See the second properties. Second one, verify the commutative properties for additions and multiplications of the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Same model, but commutative properties have to applied. So what is commutative properties? Commutative properties, just a recall, commutative properties of addition for any two rational numbers, any two rational number, if you add, or you can rearrange and add, whether the both answer you will get the same. That is the rule here. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay, suppose for example 1 plus 2 answer is 3. The same way 2 plus 1, B value is 2, A value is 1. Again you are getting 3 only. So closure properties of addition of rational numbers is two sides is equal, left hand side and right hand side. Same way multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. both answer you are getting equal or not, you have to check. Okay, that must be equal, then only it is satisfied for commutative properties, otherwise it is not satisfied for commutative properties. So second problem, given values take a and b. Let a is equal to minus 10 by 11 and b is equal to minus 8 by 33. Okay, so this value is b, first value is a. First you write the heading, because they are given the heading is commutative properties, and in that first you have to do the addition. Addition rule is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Left hand side we will do first, that is LHS is the short form for left hand side. Okay, so you keep in your mind, no need to mention this left hand side, just mention LHS side alone. Okay, so expression you just write a plus b. Right side we can do afterwards. First we can solve the left hand side. A plus b is equal to, substitute a value and b value here. A value is minus 10 by 11, center sign is plus, and b value is minus 8 by 33. Okay, and here you have to add this, but denominator is not same. Make the denominator, for that 11 into 3 you will get to the 33. So just take LCM for 11 and 33, you will get 33 only LCM, as usual only we are doing. So in short we can think like that. So into 3 you just multiple with 11, it will get 33 in the denominator. Same number you have to multiple with the numerator also. So minus 10 into 3 by 11 into 3. Okay, you get 30, and 11 into 3 you will get 33, and next value plus into minus 8 by 33. So here the denominator is same, so just equal to denominator you can write, and both sign is negative here, minus 30 minus 8. If you add you will get minus 38 by 33. So right hand side we will check the same model. So right hand side value is b plus a. So b value substitute minus 8 by 33 plus center sign, a value minus 10 by 11. So minus 8 by 33 plus into minus it become minus, then 10 by 11, and change the denominator as same. For that you have to multiple 3 into 3 in the 11. So you will get 33 because the same denominator you will get, or take LCM, both model is same only. So minus 8 by 33 minus 30 by 30, both minus value, so you have to add 30 plus 8, 38. So minus sign you can write as it is, that minus 38 by 33. This is the right hand side value. So left hand side value also minus 38 by 33, and right hand side value also minus 38 by 33. Both side is equal. If it is equal, then the commutative properties for addition is satisfied. Suppose it is not equal, it is not satisfied. Here it is equal, so you have to satisfy. Okay, addition we complete. Next one we have to do the multiplication rule. Okay, so multiplication rule is a into b is equal to b into a. So substitute a value and b value, same model, LHS side we can do, and afterwards we can do the right hand side. First LHS side a value and b value you take it. For multiplication rule, a into b is equal to a value minus 10 by 11 into b value minus 8 by 33. So here no common terms, you can multiple both values. 10 into minus 10 into minus 8, it become plus, so 80, and divided by 11 into 33, multiple this, normal multiplication, you will get 363. So denominator is 363. So first both value is negative, so if you multiple it become positive. Next one, for right hand side, b into a is equal to, b value you substitute first. B value is minus 8 by 33 into minus 10 by 11. So multiple the numerator, 8 into minus 10 is become 80, and 33 into 11, now only we found, that is 363. Okay, so from this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both answer is 80 by 363. So commutative properties for multiplication is satisfied or verified. Anything you can write. Okay. Addition as well as multiplication, both we have to do here. Okay, third one we will see now. Third one, verify the associative properties for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. Minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6, and minus 4 by 3. Associative properties means what? We will see now. In that associative properties, addition and multiplication you have to see. So associative properties also 3 numbers will occur, and distributive properties 3 numbers will occur. Remaining thing is and all 2 number only will comes. Okay. So associative properties of addition and multiplication, what is the rule here? Associative properties for any 3 rational numbers a, b, and c in addition. So 3 numbers must be occurs that you keep in your mind. Okay. For any 3 rational numbers A, B and C, how to read this? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So commutative properties, A plus B for commutative only 2 terms, but here associative you are having 3 terms that you keep in your mind. Okay, this is a formula. That is multiplication A into B plus C is equal to A into B into C. Just to change and write the bracket. So check the bracket also. That is very, very important. When you are doing, you must find the calculation for inside the bracket terms. Afterwards only outside. A value, B value, take and write as usual. All the values we took from the question. Associative properties of addition. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. First you have to LHS side you have to solve. So LHS side take and write again A plus B plus C. So first in that bracket value you have to find the values. So bracket terms you are having B plus C. So first find the answer for B plus C. So B value and C value take and write. B value is 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3. So you have to take LCM. LCM value is 6 will occurs. For that 3 you have to multiply with the 2 only, you will get 6. So both the numerator and denominator you have to multiply with the 2. Okay. After multiplying like this, you will get the same denominator. So now, next page, 5 by 6 minus 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. You will get 8 by 6. Now you are getting the same denominator, 6, then 5 minus 8. So plus 5 and minus 8, different sign you have to subtract, greater than sign is minus, and 6 denominator, same thing. So again you can cancel this because the common numbers is occurs in numerator and denominator. So try to cancel it or keep like this. If you cancel, 1 by 2 will occurs. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Using 3 table if you cancel this. So next one, A plus. So best you keep in like that because in one more calculation is there. So A value and B plus C value is substitute here. So take LCM for 9 and 6. If you take LCM for 9 and 6, you will get. So just cross multiple. If you cancel multiples, 7 6 into 6 minus 3 into 9 divided by 9 into 6. So 7 6 are minus 42 minus plus into minus will come. 3 9s are 27 divided by 54. Okay, minus 42 minus 27, both sign is same. So I have to add. 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 2 is 6. So minus sign will occur. So minus 69 by 54. So this is your answer for your left hand side. The same model you have to find the, and this also belongs in Q. This is a rational numbers, or you can reduce and write. If you reduced before itself, you will get this answer. Okay. Final answer is minus 23 by 18. Next one is right hand side, A plus B plus C. So bracket terms we can find the answer. A plus B is equal to minus 7 by 9 A value plus B value is 5 by 6. So take LCM, the same model, you have to take LCM, cross multiple, minus 7 into 6 plus 5 into 9 divided by 9 into 6. Okay. So if you multiple this, minus 42 plus 45 by 54, two sign is different, so I have to subtract, you will get 3 by 54. So here itself you can cancel or keep like this, do the next calculation. They are given, find their value as 3 by 54 plus C value. What you found, 3 by 54 plus C value is minus 4 by 3. So plus into minus it become minus. Now we are getting 3 by 54 minus 4 by 3. So 3 table you try to cancel this 54, 1 time 3, 2 is the remainder, bring 4 down, 8 times 24. The answer is getting 1 by 8, 1 by 18. 1 by 18. If you used to cancel in 3 table, you will get 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. So take LCM. 3 tables will occur 18. So into 6. So both the numerator and denominator multiply with 6. So 1 minus 6 4s are 24 divided by 18. Both the denominator is 18. So one time you write. 1 minus 24 is minus 23 by 18. Same answer is there in the first one, left hand side or not, you just check. It is same only. So first answer is minus 23 by 18. So from 1 and 2, commutative properties for addition satisfied. Sorry, commutative lemma, associative properties of addition is satisfied. So multiplication you check, A value and B value, C value taken right. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. First take left hand side, LHS is equal to A into B into C. Okay. So first bracket value you find the left hand side bracket value B into C. LHS side bracket values first find inside the bracket value B into C is equal to 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. So use common numbers to cancel this, or multiple you get minus 20. 5 4s are 20 divided by 8 3s are 6 3s are 18. So B into C value is minus 20 by 18. In that you have to multiply with A value. Minus 7 by 9 into B into C value, answer is minus 20 by 18. So just multiply the numerator, minus 7 into minus 20, it become plus 7 4s are 140 divided by 9 into 18, multiply it. 9 8s are 72, 2, 7 is the remainder, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. So answer is 162. This is your left hand side value. So try to cancel it in using 2 table. You will get 70 by 81. So if you want, you can simplify and write. So LHS value we found. And RHS value is A into B into C. So first find the answer for A into B. So A value and B value substitute. Multiple, and 7 9s are minus 34 divided by 9 into 6 is 54. So A into B into C, A into B value minus 385 by 54 into C value minus 4 by 3. So try to multiple, minus 35 into 4, minus 4, minus into minus, it become plus. 5 4s are 20, 2 balance, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. 140 divided by 54 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 balance, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 60. 162. Answer is same answer only are getting. So associative properties of multiplication is verified. Same model for fourth problem. Distributive properties. First you have to find the value for inside the bracket. Afterwards you have to find the values, substitute the values for outside value and find the answer for fourth one. Okay. So fourth problem you try to do it. Fifth questions. Verify the identity properties for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers. So 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 25. So two rational numbers, you have to find out whether it is satisfied for addition and multiplication. Identity properties for addition. For any rational numbers, 0 plus A is equal to A, or A equal to A plus 0. 0, if you add 0 with any number, the same number you will get. For additions. For multiplication, A into 1 equal to A. Any number, if you multiply with 1, the same number you will get. So A into 1 equal to A, and 1 into A equal to A. Okay. Both is same only. So here the fifth problem, this only I have to ask us to find out. So verify the identity properties for addition and multiplication of rational numbers 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 25. For solutions I have to find out. First 15 by 19 is the A value for addition. Additions. Addition rule, what we found now? 0 plus A is equal to A plus 0. So 0 plus A value, substitute A value where you are having A in the first one. 0 plus any number, the same number you will get. Okay. The number add with 0, the same number only you will get. That you remember. That only is the additive properties. So identity properties of addition is satisfied. The same model, next number is minus 18 by 25. So minus 18 by 25. Next number is B, you take it. B is equal to minus 18 by 25. Additive properties or the conditions is 0 plus B is equal to B plus 0. Okay, 0 plus B value. So just keep in your mind, like a first model you can write it, or just explain how we have to 0 plus B. So B value substitute. 0 plus into minus minus 18 by 25. So you will get the answer minus 18 by 25. So first answer is B answer again you are getting. Okay. Next one B plus 0. B value is minus 18 by 25 plus 0. Again you are getting 0. Any number plus 0 you are getting the same number. So minus 18 by 25. So you can write like this 0 minus 18 by 25. 18 by 25 equal to minus 18 by 18. Say again, if you add everything, you will get again minus 18 by 25. So if just keep in on 0 with any number, if you add or subtract the same number, you will get. Identity properties of addition are satisfied. Okay. See the multiplication rules for identities. A value is 15 by 19. Additive identity multiplication is A into 1 equal to A equal to 1 into A. So both, if any number you multiple with 1, the same number you will get. So 15 into 19 into 1 equal to 15 into 19. So 1 into 15 by 19, the same answer you are getting. So second one, first one part we completed. So second part is minus 18 by 25. Same way, identity for multiplication, minus 18 by 25 into 1 equal to minus 18 by 25. The same way, because 1 into minus 18, 25 into 1, again 25. So 1 into minus 18 by 25. The same answer you are getting. Okay. So it is very, very easy. So finally you can write the statement. Identity properties of multiplications is satisfied for or verified for 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 25. Last question. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse properties for the rational numbers minus 7 by 17 and 17 by 25. So inverse properties you have to check how you have to do using this two number inverse properties. So additive inverse properties for any rational numbers a plus minus a is equal to a 0. If you add the same numbers with a different sign, you will get the same 0. So a plus minus a 0. Same way minus a plus a. So answer you are getting 0. That is 0 is the additive identities. So 0 is the additive identity that you keep in your mind. The same model for multiplicative inverse properties or for any rational numbers b. So a value we used there before, b into 1 by b is equal to 1 because b and b get cancelled for multiplication. Okay. Multiplications inverse, it is reciprocal. So b into 1 by b is equal to 1. This is the rule here. Same way 1 by b into b is equal to answer you will get 1. Okay. Therefore 1 is the multiplicative identity. So we are using this rule to solve the sixth problem. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse properties for the rational numbers. The two number is given there. So first we have to find out identity in additive. A value is minus 7 by 17. Okay. A value and minus a, if you subtract, just multiple with a minus sign in a value. Minus into minus 7 by 17. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 7 by 17. So what is the rule for additions? A plus minus a is equal to a value minus 7 by 17 plus b value minus a value is 7 by 17. But denominator is same. If you add the numerator, minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Okay. 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. And also find minus a plus a. Okay, minus a value is 7 by 17. Center sign is plus. My a value is minus 7 by 17. So here also denominator is same. 7 minus 7 is equal to, if you subtract this two value, numerator becomes 0. So 0 divided by any number is 0. So here you are getting 0 is the answer. Therefore, the identity of addition is proved or is true. Okay. Same way, multiplicative inverse property, second value you have to take a b value. B value is just a multiplication, so you are using b. B is equal to 17 by minus 7 by 17. Reciprocal of this 1 by b is just to change the numerator and denominator sign as it is. Okay, b into 1 by b is equal to b value minus 7 by 17 into 1 by b value is 17 by minus 7. 17 and 17 cancel, minus 7 and 7 cancel, answer become 1. And also 1 by b into b, the same model you substitute 1 by b value into b value, cancel it, you will get the same answer 1. Therefore b into 1 by b is equal to 1 by b into b is equal to 1 is 2. So therefore, so multiplicative inverse also satisfied. Like this you have to find out. The second question you can do it. Okay.